Good morning everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to read about the cell, means our topic is the cell. We know that a building is made up of bricks. In the same way, our body also made up of cell. That's why we can say cell is the structural and functional unit of life. What you can say? Structural and functional unit of life. What you can say? Structural and functional unit of life. This is called cell. And you know that every body contains cell, whether it is few number or more number, whether unicellular or multicellular, each and every organisms contain what? Cell. And it is the basic unit of our life. Basic unit means our whole body is made up of cell. Our whole body is made up of what? Cell. This much clear? Now, cell are the basic units of life. All the living things like plants, animals are made up of cell. Just as a house is made up of bricks, in the same way, all the organisms is made up of cell. Clear? Now, story of cell is called what? Story of cell. Story of cell is called cytology. Story of cell is called what? Cytology. It is visible? Yes. Story of cell is called what? Cytology. And a number of cells when together and perform a specific functions, that is called tissue. And story of tissue is called histology. Story of tissue is called what? Histology. Story of tissue is called what? Histology. Clear everybody? Now, there are different types of organisms, maybe unicellular, maybe multicellular. Unicellular also there, multicellular also there. All human beings are multicellular organisms. But amoeba, parameciums, these are unicellular organisms. They contain only one cell. And some are there, they are few celled also. Few means very less number of cell. Clear everybody? We, plants, animals, these are big animals like dog, cow, cat, they all are having what? More number, millions number of cell. Millions number of what? Cell. Clear? Now, if you want to write the definitions of cell, if you want to write the definition of cell, then what you will write? Cell is the smallest unit of life which has a definite structure and perform a specific function. Which have a definite structure and functions of what? Specific functions. Specific what? Functions. Clear? Most of the cells are very small, means this cell we cannot see with our naked eye. By the help of microscope only we can see. By the help of DEX we can see, by the help of microscope we can see the cell. Clear? Next, number, shape and size of the cell. Now we will read. Numbers means numerous, size and shape of the cell. Let's see. number, shape and size. Number, shape and size. Number, shape and size of cell. First one, number. All living organisms are made up of cell, but the number of cell varies from organism to organisms. One organism to other organisms, the number of cell differ. Some organisms like plants and animals are made up of just one cell, while others are made up of more number of cells. Some are made up of one cell. They are called unicellular organism. They are called what? Unicellular organisms, whereas some are made up of more number of cells, multi-number of cells, that is multicellular organisms. Examples of unicellular organisms are, what you can say? Chlamydomonas, bacteria, our familiar one, bacteria, amoeba, Chlamydomonas, they all are made up of only one cell. This amoeba, there is no any fixed structure. Multi means multicellular organism. Means they are made up of more number of cells. They are made up of what? More number of cells. Everybody clear? Unicellular and multicellular. Unicellular means only they are made up of only single cell, that is called unicellular organisms, bacteria, amoeba, Chlamydomonas. Multicellular, they are made up of more number of cells, they are called multicellular. We all are human being, cat, dog, banyan trees, people trees, every trees are also made up of multicellular organism. Next one. Amoeba structure, how they perform their functions. Amoeba structure, there is no any fixed structure of amoeba. So the shape of the amoeba is irregular. What is the shape of the amoeba? Irregular shape, means there is no any regular shape. The shape of the amoeba is what? Irregular, which contains a central part called nucleus. What it is? Nucleus. Clear everybody? So amoeba is a unicellular organism and it contains one central part that is called nucleus and jelly-like substance found throughout the body that is called cytoplasm. Cytoplasm. Jelly-like substance, semi-liquid substance are there. Clear? And when a food particle is there, then its body, the cytoplasm extends. It extends its cytoplasm towards the food particle to capture it. That part is called false feet, or you can say pseudopodia. What? P-S-E-U-D-O-P-O-D-I-A. Podia means foot. Pseudo means false. Pseudopodia. What you can say? Pseudopodia. Clear everybody? Now another one food vacuole is there. That is called what? Food vacuole. This food vacuole helps to digest the food. Food vacuole help to digest the food, but another part is there that is called contractile vacuole. This contractile vacuole helps to store excess water. This is called what? Contractile vacuole. Contractile vacuole. Here not possible. Here. Contractile vacuole. Clear? No doubt this much? So this is all about single cell organism. You see, in that single cell everything takes place. Digestion takes place, storing takes place, catching of the food takes place. Cytoplasm is there, which is helpful for all the chemical reactions present inside the body of the amoeba. This is the structure of what? Amoeba. Clear? Now shape of amoeba is what? Already I told you, irregular shape. Some unicellular organisms are having regular shape. For example, Euglena. Euglena structure is different one. Euglena, like this structure is there. What? Flagella is coming. Flagella helps to move. This is called what? Euglena structure. What? Euglena. Here also nucleus is there. This is what structure? Euglena means fixed structure is there. But in case of amoeba, there is no any fixed structure, so you can say irregular body structure. What structure? Irregular body structure. There are many type of cells in the bodies of multicellular organisms. In our case, you see human different shape, cat different shape, dog different shape, elephant, snake, people tree, trees different shape. It means multicellular different shape are there, but in case of unicellular their shape may be same, similar, may be different. Understood or not? In our case, every cell is having different structure, like RBC, red blood cell, amoeboid structure, not that is our WBC amoeboid structure. RBC is circular disc structure. Nerve cell, elongated structure. Muscle cell, contractions, expansion, contractile structure. It means what? Different cells are having different structures. But in case of unicellular, only single cell is there, you can see. Only how many cells? Only one cell is there. And still all other body functions is going on inside the structure, inside the same structure. In our case also, you can see the our nerve cell. Nerve cell is branch structure is there. Nerve cell is what? Branch structure is there. Yes or no? One part dendrites, cytosol, cytoplasm, nucleus, axon is there. There in book also it is given. Clear everybody? Now smooth muscle cells are like this structure. In our case you can see muscle structure are there. Every cell contain nucleus, okay, every cell contain nucleus, but RBC does not contain nucleus. RBC does not contain nucleus. RBC, red blood corpus cells, RBC present in our blood. RBC does not contain nucleus, but the RBC of llama and camel, they contain nucleus. But all other cases nucleus is absent. In case of what? RBC, red blood cell, it is also called erythrocytes. Erythrocyte. Yes. Nerve cell receives and transmit messages. In our case, different cells are having different structure. Muscle cell, this one. RBC like this. This is nerve cell. Okay. WBC is amoeboid structure. WBC, white blood cell, our leukocytes is which structure? Amoeboid structure. But in case of this nerve cell, in case of muscle cell, RBC, WBC, amoeba, here amoeba I have drawn, but we are thinking about what? Amoeboid structure of WBC. In this case, it helps to transport impulses, messages, order, command. This helps in contraction and expansion. RBC helps to carry oxygen from one part of the body to other parts. In the same way, WBC helps to fight germs. That process is called, to capture the food is called what? Or the germs particle, phagocytosis. That structure is called that process is called phagocytosis. That coming out of the WBCs in that structure due to cytoplasm extension, that is called diapedesis. And you know that our WBC helps to kill the germs particles which are entering to our body and makes or creates infections which are destroyed by our WBC leukocytes. Clear? Next one. Different cell is having different work. Nerve cell helps to conduct messages. Muscle cell helps to contract or expand to the muscles. RBC helps to carry oxygen from one part to the another part inside the blood. WBC helps to fight against infections. Now size. The cell are of different sizes. The cell are of different sizes. Let's see. Let me erase this one. Okay, this much clear, everybody? Okay, so different shape and size are there. The cell are of different size. The cell in living organism may be a small millionth, 1 millionth. 1 million means in one how many zeros? 6 0. 1 millionth part means very less, very small, 10 to the power minus 6. It means 1 by this much means 10 to the power minus 6. This is called micro, means they are microscopic, they are very small. That's why we are using microscope to see them, to watch them, to look them, to see their structure, functions. Yes, they cannot be seen by naked eye, so that we are using microscope to see them. The smallest bacteria, you know that how small they are. The smallest one, smallest is the bacteria that is Mycoplasma. Smallest, largest and longest. This is largest, this is smallest and longest. Smallest one bacterial cell in the world, okay. Largest one ostrich egg and longest one nerve cell. So smallest one which one? Bacterial cell, largest one ostrich egg and smallest one, longest one nerve cell. In our body it is there. Ostrich egg, the biggest or the largest cell, whereas smallest one is the bacterial cell. No doubt? Yes or no? So a single cell, that is hen cell also, hen, that egg we are eating, anda we are eating, that one also big cell. Ostrich egg, the biggest one. Clear? This much clear, everybody? So this is all about the shape, size and number. Number means some are unicellular, some are multicellular. Size means some are smallest, longest, longest and largest one already we have discussed. And shape, how the structure. Some are elongated, lengthy one, nerve cell, contractile one, our little that elongated structure, little muscle cells, round one, RBC, amoeboid structure, what WBC, yes or no? Now, different parts are there. In the next class we will read different parts of the cell, different parts of the cell. Today up to this much, clear? Those who have not subscribed till now, subscribe it, like and click on the bell icon to get new video whenever I will upload in this YouTube channel. So share, like, subscribe and touch to the bell icon. Goodbye.